Chinese New Year. Chinese New Year is a very important festivity for Chinese people everywhere. It is also called the Spring Festival or the Lunar New Year. The exact date of the Chinese New Year changes from year to year, but it is always between the 21st of January and the 19th of February. In ancient China, people used the moon to calculate time, and in the Chinese lunar calendar, every month begins with the new moon. Every year of the Chinese calendar has an animal's name. These animals are the rat, ox, tiger, rabbit, dragon, snake, horse, sheep, monkey, cockerel, dog, and pig. The Chinese believe that a person born in a particular year has some of the characteristics of that animal. Celebrating the Chinese New Year. Chinese families celebrate the New Year for 2 weeks. They decorate their houses, towns, and villages with colored lanterns, flowers, and many other decorations. They carefully clean the house and throw away old things. This means they are throwing away the bad luck of the past year. It is very important for the Chinese to be with their families on New Year's Eve. On this occasion, the family eats a big, delicious meal together. Fish is always part of the dinner, along with rice, different meats, and vegetables. Each food has a special meaning, and the Chinese believe these foods bring good luck. On New Year's Day, the Chinese wear new clothes to symbolize the new year. Red is a popular color because the Chinese believe that it is lucky. Parents and family members give children the traditional New Year's gift called Lai Xing, lucky money.